everyone. Welcome everyone to the fourth episode webinar hosted by Keyser Technologies Private Limited. I understand why Keyser Technologies hosts such webinars. I understand that. Now, basically, to reach information to the society with a good cause for their benefit. Then I thought, yes, that's a good idea of reaching the society. Well, we all learn through experience the do's and don'ts, isn't it? Well, today I, Dr. Lata Murthy, an educationist and consultant pan India, and Dr. Hemalata Murthy, an educationist, at present serving White Petal School in Bangalore as a director principal, we are going to speak about the topic for the day, that is how to achieve success in life. Each and every person or you as an individual, if you think about the definition of success, what success is may vary, but many might define it as being fulfilled, happy, safe, healthy, and loved. It is the ability to reach your goals in life, whatever those goals may be. You might not have one goal, you might have so many goals, isn't it? Now, how can we define success? It is a difficult task to define success. As said, it is a 360-degree circle, which once you reach something, then again you feel like going higher and higher. And then again you feel like, going around the wheel again and again. You're going to reach the success every time you reach one goal. Yeah. And then what you do is you keep on thriving for it. So do you think that success is the end in the life? We have to give a thought to that. After completion, again you go around doing something more. So there is a never ending process for this. Now, there are many different tactics for how to be successful in life, but the strategy that works best for you may depend on your view of success itself. We often think of it as doing well, working in a company or working anywhere or earning high salary. These are all success. Do we think like that? We have to give a thought to that as well. While professional accomplishments can be one piece of the puzzle, it leaves out many other important areas of life, like family, romantic relationships, academics, and athletics. And these are just a few areas where people may strive for success. Now, supposing you say that, oh, I'm successful in my family. That means that you have studied to some extent, you got a good job, and you have reached a success. That is not success. What is the meaning of success? One has to find out. How can you be successful in life? Only when you have that happiness within you, that you have achieved something. It is not, see, life and death is something which is, interrelated, isn't it? Once you live, it doesn't mean just live, eat your food, and, be healthy and be happy and do whatever minimum that you can do. And then, that is the end of the life. Once you get old and then you fall ill, or maybe you die and all that. That is not a success in life. What is success in life? What's the meaning of success? You have to try and understand. So how we are going to achieve success? I will be giving you some tips that you can follow and understand what success actually is about. Now, when I was talking about earning high salary and doing well in the family or in your workplace or anywhere else. So what I mean to say is, while professional accomplishments can be a piece of puzzle, as I told, it may leave the other important areas of life. That means that you are leaving away everything else and you're just focusing on that particular thing. What is that focusing? You're focusing on only on success, isn't it? So what happens is that your definition of what success is may vary, but many might define it as being, again, fulfilled, happy, then safe, healthy, and loved. Now, it is the ability to reach your goals in life. Success is the ability to reach goal, whatever goal you have set. So that goal you have to reach in life. Now, whatever these goals may be, some questions to pose to yourself would be like, what can you do to boost your chances of achieving this thing? What are some of the habits of successful people? There is no single right way to be successful, because what works for you might not work for someone else. There may be a perfect combination of ingredients that can guarantee success, but there are some basic steps you can follow that can improve your chances of learning or of being successful in life, love, work, or whatever happens to be important to you. There are so many things. For me, what is important for you might not be important. So in that way, each and every individual have got their own goal set up and own, life view. And what they do is they've got their own things, thought process. What would be my goal and how am I going to achieve that? Now, achieving the goal itself is not a success. You have to think about it. Now, there are psychologists also who suggest that there are two basic mindsets that influence how people think about themselves and their abilities. That is the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. Some people are there who have got a fixed mindset. They don't want to change themselves, neither they want to think about something different, what they can do. Now, people who possess a fixed mindset believe that things such as intelligence are static and unchangeable. And you might have seen, only if you are intelligent, you can achieve success in life. If you are not intelligent, you will not achieve success in life. You might have heard about this, your grandparents telling you, or your own parents telling you, or maybe you have within yourself, only if I'm intelligent, I'm going to reach success. I'm not intelligent at all, so I'm not going to reach success. You might have that thinking, but that is a fixed mindset. Those with a fixed mindset believe that success isn't a result of hard work. It is simply a consequence of innate talents, because they believe that such talents are something people are either born with or without. They tend to give up more easily into facing these challenges. They might face challenges. The fixed mind people, what they do, they say, oh, I have failed in life. I cannot reach success at all. I can't do anything else at all. What they do at that point of time, they quit when things do not come easily to them. And because they believe that they lack the inborn skills needed to excel, so they have failed. But that's not the truth. Any individual, any human being can achieve success, can reach their goal if their mindset is different. Now, those who have a growth mindset, not a fixed mindset, okay? Those who have a growth mindset, on the other hand, feel that they can change, they can grow and learn through effort. People who believe that they are capable of growth are more likely to achieve success. They are the only people with a growth mindset who will achieve success. Now, when things get tough, they look for ways to improve and their skills and they improve their skills. I mean to say, they try to improve their skills, and they're working towards success is in a different path and different direction itself, because they have that growth mindset. So what we have to do, it is not as a human being, as we are growing, or we have to give the same information to the children. Never, snub the children, saying that you're not intelligent, as you're not studying properly, you're not going to achieve success in life and all that. So parents have to stop telling all these to the students and ensure that each and every step the student takes, you have to give motivation. Only when there is motivation Anybody can achieve success. That one has to keep in mind. We have to encourage others. See, everybody need not have the motivation from the other sources, from the outside sources. We have our inner self ourselves, wherein we can motivate ourselves to do something different. I will tell you the story of mine, how I motivated myself and I came out of the challenges. Then we also have people who believe that they are capable of growth, who are most likely to achieve success, what I mentioned to you. Okay. But when things get tough, they really work hard on it. And also they improve their skills, as I mentioned. Now, that's how we name some people that they are successful people. I think many of you can say the big people, high profile people and all, you will say that they are successful. There are other people also who are successful in life. It's not only the people who have money. It's not only the people who have, what do you say? You can say wealth, you can say properties. They are not only the people who are successful in life. There are other people also. Without that, they are happy and they have achieved their goals and they are also successful. About 8 years back, I started my own chain of preschools, and except my family, no one had supported me to establish that. And I had some franchises also which I had given. However, I did very well for 1 year, 1.5 years. And then I had to suddenly undergo a failure in bringing it up due to so many consequences. And I can say it's a negative consequences, which did not work out. Negative consequences means there was some, flaws which was from outside, not from our company's end. And I had to undergo failure. Okay. And I was depressed, and I thought that I have failed in life. I cannot do anything. I wanted to achieve this goal and I was not able to. Then what happened, one day a very good friend of mine, he stood with me, and I still remember his words, what he spoke to me. And he said to me that you can work on the reason which made you fail, not to lose heart. You have to keep your will strong and you have to keep your brain power, that is your mind, strong, and you will achieve success. So I followed whatever he had told, and that gave me a boost, that gave me a motivation, to take this forward. So I always respect his words, and even till today, he is a very good friend of mine who keeps on, appreciating my whatever I have achieved in life so far. And it is the same happiness that I got after I started, achieving whatever I wanted. So that happiness, I call it as success for me. This happiness was my success, and happiness stays with me, and I keep smiling always, and all the motivation, whatever you require to be successful in life, will come to you automatically. Now, people with growth mindset believe that they have control of their life, while those with a fixed mindset believe that things are out of their control. Now, what can you do to build a growth mindset? I'll just give you some tips. Okay. Now, rather than thinking that your abilities are fixed and stuck, people who have a growth mindset believe that effort and hard work can lead to meaningful growth. That means believe that your effort really matters. You have to put in efforts. Without putting in efforts, you will not reach anything in your life. So you have to always ensure that you put in lot of effort, and you have to believe in what you're doing, believe in your efforts. That matters a lot. Then what you can also do is, when you face with a challenge, look into ways to develop the knowledge and the skills that you need to overcome and triumph. If you do that, you're going to learn new skills, And this new skills will definitely help you achieve whatever you want to. And people, or people with growth mindset, they don't believe that failure is a reflection of their abilities. It is a part, actually. It is not your reflection of your abilities. And instead, what we also do is we view it as a valuable source of experience from which we can learn and improve. Now, I had to learn and improve on why I failed, isn't it? So same way, everyone, in case you feel that you are low at some moment, and then how you're going to improve yourself and all, you have to try and understand why did you fail? What was the reason for the failure? Instead of thinking, instead of brooding, instead of sitting and just feeling depressed, you have to think, I have to overcome this situation, and how am I going to learn new skills and come out of this situation? I hope you are able to understand what I'm meaning. Dr. Hemlata Murthy, it's better? Good. Now, another thing is that people who have the growth mindset, as I told, that it is a failure, they feel that it's a failure reflection of their abilities. They also view thinking that this did not work out, that did not work out. They might think all that, so this time I'm going to try something different. I'm going to learn something new. That's how you have to develop new skills and come out of that. Now, when we talk about what is that motivation, what is that motivates you the most? Do you find that the promise of external rewards, like from the outside people or anybody motivating you, you seeing something and then it's motivating you, rewards keep reaching you from your goals? Or do you think that it is something personal, that is intrinsic motivators, we call them as, or that keeps you feeling inspired, something which keeps you feeling inspired? Then there are some extrinsic rewards also, such as money, awards, praises, which can be very helpful. And many people also find that uh, all these things happen at your workplace, isn't it? Now, supposing somebody is praising you, whatever you're doing is very good, this, that, and all, and you're going higher and higher in your position or in your post and all. At that point of time, you feel very happy, isn't it? So there are all the motivational factors which really helps you out to ensure that you reach your goal and reach to a success level. So many people find that they are most motivated when they are doing things for personal satisfaction. But however, everybody doesn't feel the same, but some people do. Yes, definitely. Now, if we are going to do things because we enjoy, or you people enjoy, because you find them meaningful, or because you enjoy seeing the effects of your work, then you are driven by intrinsic motivations. Now, research has also shown that while incentives can be a better predictor of some types of performance, intrinsic motivators tend to be better performing at predicting performance quality. Yes, definitely. Motivation definitely helps us give us a better quality in workplace. Same thing should happen at home front also. Our parents, our grandparents, uncle, aunties, relatives, all these people, they have to really understand that we have to motivate the other person in case that motivation is required. There might be some people who are self-motivated, but we need an external motivator also for a life to be succeeded. First thing you have to remember that you have to build a mindset, which is the growth mindset. Then you have to improve your emotional intelligence. Why? Because you should never feel depressed at any point of time. So that is very important. And then you have to also develop your mental toughness. That means you have to be strong and your willpower should be strengthened. Then you have to focus on intrinsic motivations. That should be a very good solution for reaching a success. And then there might be some nurturing traits. You have to learn that. And then you have to link it to the highest potential, whatever is possible from your end. So in this way, I hand over to Dr. Hemalata Murthy, and you will be definitely, even the students, children, college-going students, and then we also have, the adults and many people in the society. I wish you all the best, and to achieve success, you have to be happy. Keep your sorrows away. Try and ensure that you be happy, and whatever you're doing, you do it with your heartfelt feelings. You are definitely going to achieve success, but keep your mind strong, keep your willpower strong, and keep yourself strong. Stay safe and be healthy. I hand over to Dr. Hemalata Murthy to say a few words, and after that, we have our participants who can speak about what they feel about success. Yes, Dr. Hemalata Murthy, over to you.
Thank you, Lata ma'am, for the words that you ended up trying to tell, that motivation, strength, energy, which is more required for we going ahead or called us to build up success. Really, definitely well said, ma'am. I take that and I try to continue trying to tell that I walk slowly, but walk very slowly, but not backward. Maybe if I've heard about Abraham Lincoln, he always had this in his mindset. He always said that you need to move ahead slowly, but don't look backward. So that way, while we will have to connect, both of us will try to connect, because you have already told a lot of motivational points. I just want to add a few points to that, so that what is that will make a person successful in life. I don't feel that it is like success is not money, success is not fantasy, success is not that pride what we carry with us. Success is the inner potential that can be spread or can reach a few people in and around us. This is what I want to try to say and continue, so that we can try to be a human being where we can be trying to give that courage to people. That is more required. While I try to take up the examples of Mark Zuckerberg, or our so-called Dhirubhai Ambani or Lakshmi Mittal, these people are also definitely successful. But money, money is a tagline for them. But if I quote a relation of Tata, he said the straight line also has no meaning for it. Reason behind that, all of us know, if it is a straight line shown, that says that the life is nil. So that way, the ups and downs, whatever happens in our life, that is more needed. The failure, I always tell that failure is the stepping stone for success. If there is no failure, we cannot think of moving ahead. If we will have to find out something, success cannot come for within a day or overnight. We will have to see to that we continuously practice, pursue, and promote ourselves. I take up two examples. That is, one is eagle, which has a beautiful vision. Again, a king of its own bird kingdom. Lion, which is a king of animal kingdom. Why I always relate these two things is why I respect eagle, because it has its own vigilance, and lion for loyalty. We can always think, if it is animal kingdom, why not elephant? It has lot of energy in it. It is the strongest animal. Even then, lion is there called as king of jungle. So we will have to think why, because it has the leadership qualities that it makes other animals follow. If it talk about hyena, is it not intelligent enough? Then why is it not called as king of jungle? That is all reason behind is that it is intelligent, but there is no that faith or courage to lead the other animals that are there. So that is why the lion has its own unique individuality. If I tell about eagle, eagle can fly high, It always finds a place or a space where if it is raining, all the other birds, if it's raining, it finds a nest for itself. But eagle is not that. It moves beyond that, tries to find its place of its confidence. It is meant for that. So that way, I always try to tell that success is not the thing. Whatever we achieve, whatever we do is not success. All of us will have to have goal. Our mindset should be positive enough. We should have the courage within us in such a way that whatever we try to do we should not stop. That point of we stopping will try to put us down or called us, our energies will become down. Right now, all of us know all the boards results have been out. Does the marks really matter for us? Does the percentage really matter for us? Is it the criteria of we gaining that competency within us? I always believe in win-win situation. Maybe I am good at in one point of action, the other person is equally good in other point of his action. Maybe I'm good at dance, the other person is good at swimming. So equally, it is a one win-win situation. All of us should understand is required to move ahead. So that way, if I want to continue and try to tell about learning is continuous, while we want to get success or called as successful point, that word itself for me tries to put in such a way that you will have to perceive and try to go move in such a way that we will have to keep our mindset and frame of our mindset so smart that we don't look back for anything. If there is a failure also, it is a point where we will have to understand on what point we failed. Why did we fail? It is not the other people or other in and around people who are responsible for this. It is me and myself, or me, whatever is called as you. That is the only thing which will try to tell that we will have to move with all the negatives that is there within us. And we should also have commitment with us and focus with us. While we try to go with that positive relation, we can always try to do whatever we would think. First of all, we should try to see to that we have that love towards whatever we do. It is not that we will have to do it for the compulsion of family or pressure that is being given by others. Whatever you feel like doing it, whatever you love, whatever you feel like proving the world, you will have to concentrate for that and try to move. I always feel that a physically challenged baby or a child, even if he does a hands movement, that is a success. If there is a child who is suffering from of dyslexia, the child tries to express in a right way, that is also success for me, because I'm talking about child's individuality, where each child is a unique child, each person is a unique person. It is not that money which will give all this. It is the positivity and inner ability, whatever we have within us, or the child has within us, or one person has within him or her, is that called as success. If in case, if there is something called today Einstein, if we remember him, it is all that definitely he had failed while he was doing the experiments. But today, even today, we remember Einstein. Even today, we try to remember Madame Curie. All this, all because, I mean, you want to say something?
You mean to say that, you know, there has been some questions, you know, from the participants, and they are asking you whether to be successful, one should be a leader or a follower. I don't think so, because we cannot take these Einstein and, you know, and all of them.
I am just quoting the example. See, if in case if the leader has to become a point, then he has to be a follower. Leader cannot come onto the point and try to tell, I have become a leader. He has to become a follower first, then later definitely that leadership qualities, whatever is there within her or him, they will definitely put him into that point so that he will make or she will make the other people to move with him. That's why I try to quote the example of lion, ma'am, because see, it gives that point. It has a beautiful leadership qualities that will try to make the other animals to move behind that. The same
Okay.
similar way, I am also trying to tell about vigilance of eagle is also because of the leadership quality. If the person
No,
has
but
become a leader,
yeah, I understand that leadership quality, yes. But I just wanted to know whether we are, um, we are individuals ourselves, correct? So
yes,
in that,
ma'am.
in that case, I don't want to follow somebody else's footsteps, so I don't want to,
No,
take, somebody else, how he became a
ma'am,
leader,
I
or
always tell,
I want to
why don't
follow.
we take risk, ma'am? If you don't risk yourself, then where is the
Yeah,
point
that is
of
true.
you? We should
Okay.
risk, ma'am. Always risk is necessary for an individual. Being
Yeah.
in the
What?
safety or safe ground, you cannot explore yourself. You cannot explode out. This is what I want to try to tell, ma'am.
Okay. So
How do you feel about this?
in that case, we have to take challenges, if I
Yes,
understand correctly.
yes.
Correct? We have to
Challenges
take
is
challenges.
something.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Challenges would be the correct way to, instead of risk. Risking means it's
Yes.
a different, word itself. But
Hmm.
to do this, to follow, to make changes yourself, I think challenge would be the best way. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. If we talk about successful people, they don't do great things,
Yeah.
ma'am. They do
Small
small
things, yes,
things where it will be in a
in a
greater
different
way.
way.
Always successful people do
Yeah.
small things in a greater way. I want to quote about my grandparent. He is a person who is a simple thinker, but with the high qualities within him. He's made a lot of people get to that courage and follow him. That's how I try to go ahead, ma'am. Because if that person has small idea within him, that gives that in such a way that it is spreading in a bigger way, that he's a successful man or she is a successful person for me, ma'am. Is that not right? How do you go? So that's how I try to tell, ma'am. It is nothing but we will have to focus on the intrinsic motivation, whatever is there within us, ma'am, and accepting the failures always, because we know the situation right now, whatever we are facing, it's all that is making us understand that we will have to see what is that we are facing and what is that failure that is making us making us feel low. We have to come out of that. We will also have to think that loving that passion, whatever we have, we should love our passion, ma'am. Otherwise then we cannot try to do anything more in future. Maybe I'm a good artist. If I have to get that out, then I will have to see to that I love that, I get committed for that, and I try to practice, do that hard work, and get that on an explorer, and try to explore also on that. You cannot stop on one point of time, point and try to tell that yes, I have done everything. All of us know each day we try to learn, we try to do good things, we try to do bad things. None of us are perfect, but we always try to do things in such a way that at least there are few people who can try to follow us, so that that will build a good society where it is going to be. Because right now it is required, ma'am. All of us know, like if I want to talk about Hitler and the Xi Jinping, who is our China's general secretary, he is also on the limelight, ma'am, but it is not for his success. It is all the causes what is happening in the entire world. He's been known for that. Hitler also was the same person for us, ma'am. He was known for all the causes whatever he did. But the same similar way, if we talk about Mahatma Gandhi, he is known for non-violence. That is a point of success, I believe, isn't it, ma'am? So that way success cannot be judged, success cannot be rated, success can be told in such a way, whatever we do, let us do it in the right required way, and let us try to see to that we make others also follow, but whatever is that person's interest. We will not pressurize anybody, because each individual, as you were trying to tell, whatever you like, maybe I don't like it, maybe whatever I like, my daughter doesn't like. It's a similar way. Let us respect each individual so that they can try to prove themselves in their own field. That is one part of success, ma'am. So that way, what do you try to tell Lata, ma'am?
Yeah, in fact, I agree to whatever you said. As there were questions from the participants in regards to the taking risk and one should be a leader or follower. That's the reason I interrupted you in between. Very
Yes,
well
ma'am.
said. I do agree that success has to be actually it has to be a feeling within us, and we have to ensure that how we are going to achieve that. We have to make sure that we are all human beings, right? So at times we also err, and
True,
we
ma'am.
should not do that, and we should be very we should keep away ourselves from the negativity of life. Correct.
Negativity,
Have,
yes, ma'am.
yeah,
And
we have
focus
to.
on positivity. Build
Yes, we
that
had to,
confidence.
exactly, we had to focus on positivity. So how are we going to bring positivity in life? We have to be
That
strong.
persistent perseverance within us, ma'am. We need to be
Exactly.
calm because yes, ma'am, our mood set, our mood swing will always not be the same. Definitely, I understand. Family environment would be in a different scenario. Once we go out for work, it's in a different scenario. Maybe we all are facing social activities, or called as we are getting into a lot of other activities. There we find lot of mood swings. But how we try to balance ourselves is also one point which is required for us to understand, ma'am. Balancing
Very true. I
persistently
agree on that
listening
point.
and trying to understand the wavelength and mindset of other people, not
Yes.
trying to tell that yes I can do it, let us try to put it in such a way that we will do it, we can do it. Maybe few
Mm.
things will always be going in the right required way. Always I try to tell us, ma'am, we will, as you said, the negativity, we will have to come out of that. Focus on positivity, definitely it is required, as well as that passion within us, more required. Work, that is hard work, more required. Also that love is not there, then nothing can happen, ma'am. If you don't love whatever we are trying to do, maybe we are just proving society artificially. That artificialness shouldn't be there while whatever we are trying to do. That justification can only be given while we put that 100% of commitment and
Correct.
100% of serving nature, ma'am. Even serving nature is also required for that successful or called as whatever we say, how to become successful in life. Even that is one of the part which should be there in one individual. And while we try to talk about a lot of gurujis, where we, because we all are Indians, could be Muhammad Prophet, could be our own different n number of gods whomever we follow. Definitely we will collect lot of ideas from each one person or one eternal source. There also the success didn't come to them with one point, ma'am. Maybe there is lot of positive energy that was circumferenced, and maybe they'll have put that the same similar cosmic energies are flowing for us also, so that we will collect that or grab that. We will make ourselves so energetic, so confident that we will not try to tell everything is going to stop. We will always try to tell that we can move ahead, we can do, I can do, I will definitely do. This is how I want to try to move now.
So I close on a note saying that yes, definitely whatever we have said, you have to take it in a positive way, and rest. And one more thing is that we have to respect each other, value each
True,
other,
ma'am.
okay, love each other. Only then you will be in a position to take respect and give respect, as well as you will be able to reach success in life by being happy. That is very important. You have to be happy within yourself.
Happy all the time. Come out
Yes.
of all that worries, keeping worries and moving ahead. Maybe we cannot think in the right way, ma'am. Definitely, all of us do have one or the other problem, one or the other worries. If in case, if we will have to move, if we will have to go ahead, we will have to come out of all that and try to focus on reaching with that whatever we feel like doing it and proving it
Yes.
for the society or for the world. This is how
Yes.
I want to conclude.
Yeah. So it was very nice speaking to all of you. I want somebody from the participants to say a few words about what they feel about success. Anybody wants to
Yes,
say?
ma'am.
You can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Not me, others.
No one? Yes, as someone mentioned, right attitude. Yeah, correct attitude should be
Hello.
there. Yes,
Hello.
Mr. Sadiq Pasha.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. We can hear you.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. But I cannot. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here the topic is about how to achieve the success in life.
Yeah. What do you say? How we
Yeah.
can achieve?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm working as a lecturer. I'm speaking to you from Ballari.
Okay. Good.
I interact with the students many of time this question. The first question I asked to the student, what is success? Hello, ma'am. Is
Yes,
it
we can
a?
hear you. We
Is
can hear
okay,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Many of them says that we wanted to become rich, we
Okay.
want to become famous, and the day we are rich and famous, we will be successful. This was the answer I used to get. But I told them, but there are very few students who says that the day when we will be able to pay back the society,
Hmm.
we
Correct.
think that we are again that we are successful in that life.
That's
Very
what, sir,
true.
I said. Serving nature is more required. Is it not, sir?
Yes, of course, ma'am. And one more thing, as far as I concerned, the motivation and the being a teacher and being a professor, and even the teachers doesn't, they don't have the right to integrate the student by saying that you are a dull and all. Because Hemlata ma'am told me that we have to motivate in a right way to the student so that the teacher himself has to be very good towards the student so that he will practice in such a way that this is the right thing what the teacher is doing. Hello,
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, tell
isn't
me,
it?
sir. Yes.
And as far as point of view, I just wanted to put here, whenever you are able to change someone's life,
Hmm.
and when you look back at your life and say that I tried my best to give my best to the people around me, that is real success.
Yes. Maybe our experiences also, sir, would be a point because we would have also seen
Of course, ma'am.
ups and downs in our life. All the time, we would have also seen. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. True.
So ups and
Ma'am,
downs.
I'm
Maybe
unable to see
we
you
would be in
here
that
because
point of trying to tell how to move in the right path. Isn't it, Pasha, sir?
yes, of course, ma'am, I agree to you. But actually, here there's a problem in my side over here. I could not see you people. Okay, but my voice is audible to you, ma'am.
Yeah, we
Yes.
were. Yes, you were
Oh my,
very
there are the
clearly
many
audible to
things
us,
that I
sir.
wanted to share, and let me give an example here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead, please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. A child who crawls suddenly stands up and start walking. That is success to him, and he feels really happy and start clapping, which is really overwhelming as he has been motivated by his parents or his loved ones. Own. And there are the many different ways of success. Everyone won't follow the steps. They wanted to come up with their own struggle. They wanted to put their efforts. There are many ways to get success. But what is success actually here? The success is that not earning money, fame, and all. The real success, in the point of view from my side, I just wanted to quote here, but helping others, if they are really success in their life by supporting us, then I think that it's my real success. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes,
very well said.
definitely, sir. Very well said, sir.
And
Obviously, we.
yeah,
And
and
one
Continue,
more thing,
Latama.
ma'am.
yeah.
Hello.
Yes, very
Yeah,
well
I
said,
just
sir.
want,
So we have come to the end of the session. Thank you so
ma'am,
much
one
for
second. I request you for 1 second, please.
yeah.
Ma'am, here in concluding, I would like to thank Mr. Khizr and
Yes.
Harun for giving me
Huh.
this opportunity and look forward for the futuristic collaboration. I wish the best for each speaker and the participant who have been attend the event program. I hope that every one of us overcome our adversity COVID-19 and take the opportunity to make successful as one. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for
Sure,
that.
sir. I wish all the best to all
All
the
the
people
very
in the
best.
society. Stay
Thank you.
safe and secure. And I thank you from, I thank the host, Sridhar Technologies again. And I thank Hemalata Madam to be
Thank
with
you,
us
ma'am.
today.
And I always be I take you as my positive energy. You know this, maybe since this is our third year. The day I got associated with you, I have been learning a lot of things from you, ma'am. You're also one of my motivational spirit. Thank you, Mulata.
Thank you so much. And let us all motivate ourselves on our own and do good for the society and be happy. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And thank all the participants too.